condiments.
We don't care.
What's up guys?
Namin sa akin. Mang Inasal.
Mga sa mga guys.
Tired of hearing niggas on the same beat. Time to kill the panda in my old pajamas. Fly to Atlanta in the same week. What's a panda to a fucking polar bear? A gorilla to a monkey, tiger to a puppy, lion to a kitten, wolf to a pigeon, shark to a fish, a snake to an infant, alligator in a waterway, Jordan Lucas to a dinosaur and pet. They ain't know that I'm Tyrannosaurus Rex. Grab the panda rub and rip apart his neck. I ain't doing interviews and autographs. I don't like the way you talking, all of that. I should fuck your bitch and never call her back. I go down in history as an artifact, but I'm tired of this fucking panda song. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across, stab their head and break the fucking panda's jaw, burn them up and turn the fucking candles on, choke a beat 'em, put a couple hammers on them, dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him, kick him, hit him, make him slam the wall, time to a cannon, make him cannonball to the ocean, make him suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse, animal cruelty on the fucking news. I'ma kill the panda till he bloody too. Well, that's a bloody mess, that's a bloody death. Tell them niggas hating on me, suck a dick. I ain't satisfied until I get to smash J-Lo and give her ass a couple kids. I've been on Animal Planet, I got my hands in the phantom, I can't again, and nobody gonna hand me a Grammy. God damn it, I barely don't even wanna hear what they planning. I sit in the pen again, and I blame with the hammer, the man with the planet. You looking at the man in the mirror, the man with the killer, the driller, nigga, shit in the building. I hang with the realers, and really while I handle my business again, and I get it, I gotta get it, damn it, I did it, I'm out of it.
A few moments later.
Busugan ako. Yeah, guys. Ilan yung naurot niya rice? 1, 2. 2 rice ka. Oh. Oh, ayaw sa gigpalabig ka o no rice. Sige na. Familiar ka siya gnaong guys. Oh no! Mia. Mia Khalifa in the house. Musulti rin ako. Nabusog ko.
Kids, I've been on Animal Planet, I got my hands in the phantom, I can't again, and nobody gonna hand me a Grammy. God damn it, I barely don't even wanna hear what they planning. I sit in the pen again, and I blame with the hammer, the man with the planet. You looking at the man in the mirror, the man with the killer, the driller, nigga, shit in the building. I hang with the realers, and really while I handle my business again, and I get it, I gotta get it, damn it, I did it. I'm out of this commodity, about to be out of the hot of the riding inside of the driver's seat, the lottery, how do we get out of the mind of a